Oh, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Malik and I am a foundation level student at Rayan School, Islamabad, Baragaon campus. Today I am doing Tedx review on the topic of The Wheel of Life by Bilal Saqib. The speaker explains that life is like a wheel made up of many important parts. He shares that success is not only about money or fame, but but also about health, relationship, learning, peace of mind, purpose, and personal growth. The talk encourage people to look at their lives honestly and understand which areas need more attention. Bilal Bin Saqib explains that many people focus only on one part of life, such as career or studies, and ignore other important things because of the imbalance they may feel unhappy even after achieving success. He used the idea of a wheel to show that every part of life must work together smoothly. If one section is weak, the whole wheel becomes unstable. The speaker also discussed the importance of self-awareness and reflections. He encouraged people to ask themselves meaningful questions about their goals, habits, and daily routines. According to him, growth being when a person understands their strengths and weaknesses and chooses chasing society's definition of success. Individuals should create their own balanced and meaningful life. The talk also highlight discipline, consistency, and positive thinking as impact tools over improvement. Bilal Bin Said gives examples from real life to show that happiness comes from balance and inner satisfaction rather than the external achievements alone. Other important message in the TEDx talk is the value of relationship and emotional well-being. The speaker explains that strong connections with family and friends are necessary for a health and happy life. He points out that many people become so busy with work and ambitions that they forget to spend time with loved ones. He also talks about mental peace and explains that success without peace of mind is incomplete. The talk motivates young people to focus on personal development. That, overall, the wheel of life divides a powerful lesson about living a balanced life where all areas health, career, emotions, relationship, learning, and separately are equally important. The TEDx talk inspire viewers to improve themselves step by step and create a life that is successful, meaningful, and fulfilling. So, however, I understand in this TEDx that the speaker say that do not compare yourself with others because your journey and other journey will be different. So do not compare. If you compare, you will lose. If you lose, you do not achieve success. That do not compare yourself with others. That because that you do that do not others do. Okay. So, however, this is our TEDx review. I hope you like it. We will meet another TEDx with another topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan.